What can a great Indian recipe teach us about workplace success? Now, a well-balanced Indian dish starts with the right ingredients and a whole mix of Indian spices, each playing a vital role, blending seamlessly together to create something truly, truly remarkable. Now, the same theory applies to what people need to thrive at work. They need the right tools, they need the right knowledge, they need the right skills that fosters their learning, development and growth. Now imagine salt is your psychological safety, the foundation that brings everything together, because without it, nothing will work. Turmeric is resilience. It strengthens and adds vibrancy, just as resilience shapes our ability to thrive. Cumin is adaptability, a seed that blends effortlessly into any dish, just like adaptability helps us navigate change. But what truly brings my Indian dish together is garam masala, the final spice that touches and unites all the flavors, creating harmony between the ingredients and spices. Now imagine that is cultural intelligence, the capability to blend, adapt and connect to create something great. Like the perfect Indian dish, great teams can only thrive when they are culturally intelligent, seamlessly blending their ways of communicating, engaging, adapting, and flexing. So how are you building culturally intelligent teams in your places of work? A future fit skill identified for leadership effectiveness. I'd love to hear from you.